up, world? Welcome back to another episode of Numinous Steps vlog. I'm here with the magnificent Mary. She's repping for all the Geminis.
Yes, that's right.
Geminis in the building. Right now we're headed to Zuma Trail. It's in Malibu. We heard of something special out there, so we decided to go see what it's about, and heard there's a great view of the ocean there. We just got the Zuma Trail right now off of the PCH. We got horses out here. How you doing, sir? Good. Beautiful horse. Got horses. We're coming out here in nature. We got Mary. She's buckling in because it's cool out here.
Chilly out here.
You know, so this is what you call glamming in nature. You ladies make this. You ladies make it happen with this glamming in nature. And look at where we at. Zuma Canyon Trail. So we're here on the trail now. We just got here. Scan rail. We're gonna take you every step of the way. So when you walk in here, this is the beginning where you just seen. This is where we just came from. Right here. And then just nature. So what you see, this is in Malibu, California. So out here. Mary, have you been to this trail before?
No, I have not.
She hasn't been to this trail before.
Our first time?
I haven't been to this trail before. But we're making it happen. Take you every step of the way. Look at this. This is nature, people. So we're here. Apparently you could recycle glass and plastic right there. So this is the parking area. So we came here. I guess this is a parking area. We parked on the street. We forgot before we got here. And then you got to come over here. So this is where you park at. You're gonna smell a lot of horse urine and feces. You just gotta take it in. So right here, you see, this is when you know, when you hear Zuma Canyon Trail Ocean View, Zuma Loop 2 miles, Canyon View Trail 5 miles. This is dope. Oh, this is beautiful. All right, so we reached a point right now where you can either go to the Zuma Canyon Trail straight ahead of the Zuma Loop Trail. So I'm gonna leave this up to Mary. Mary, where do you want to go?
I want to go to Zuma Canyon.
She wants to go to Zuma Canyon, so that's what we're gonna do right now. And we'll be right back. But before you go there, right? This guy right here. I don't know who this guy is right here. You see him? He may not be here if you come out here. But if you see this guy, don't get directions. Don't get directions from that guy. Alright? So now on the trail, we have Ocean View Trail, right? So that's where we're gonna go because we love the ocean, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And we're gonna head to that. that I'm breathing right now. It's not the wind. I guarantee you. We came from all the way down there. You see the mountains? I'm up in the mountains. Me and Mary up in the mountains, okay? Aries, you do this. Geminis does this. You heard? So, it's getting real. I had to pause, okay? You see the jacket was on. I was looking cool. Glasses? Nah, that ain't the case right now. Let me tell y'all something. If you come in a Zuma, right? It stands for AKA gigantic. As you can see, the nature is so beautiful and so profound backing me. Even the crickets are applauding. But this downhill, it got me today. I usually climb a lot of hills, but this one was far great. And I love the challenge and the journey. But as you can see, we're gonna continue to go up to the top. We can get that ocean view. For everybody, it's really beautiful right now. We're on March. I'm doing my physical nature therapy. You know what I'm saying? Because all the gyms are closed and stuff like that. So this is how we're getting it in. But I told you every step of the way, we're there. So make sure y'all check out Lingo Ink, boutique.com. You can see I'm wearing the growth line right now. Because it's all about growth every day. You know, we have the zodiac lines out right now. So check it out. All the zodiacs check in. We outside, as you can see. Check out Lingo Ink's Open Minds with a Z at the end. We have a bunch of beautiful souls on there. Just talking about the latest and greatest things and modalities that they do to help people out, including themselves. So follow at Lingo Ink on IG. We outside. We're gonna continue on with the trail. All right, so we came to a point. It says Canyon Edison Road Canyon View Trail, which we're gonna check out in a little bit. But as you can see here, out in nature, the view of the ocean is down there. So we're gonna walk down there, but it doesn't say a sign to go there. So wish us luck, but we already have it. So thank you. We're gonna catch the view, and then we're gonna go back to the trail part, which is to the left of us that way. But we're gonna go that way. Okay. Hello world, we're back at it again. Eventually that, you know, the route that I said we're gonna go that way, we're gonna go back that way because this leads you back down if you decide to come take a right from that point we was at. It's a beautiful view here, but we gotta see more because it's heading down, so it's like another entrance where we're not gonna do today. So we're gonna head back and go up the Canyon View Trail instead. All right, so we're here at the Canyon View Trail part. As you can see, we came from down there. Now we're gonna head up to the Zuma Canyon Trail up, Zuma Canyon connector. We're not gonna take the connector. We're gonna go up and show you what that's like. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at the chemicals they spray into our earth here. They're called chemtrails. You see how it's dissipating in the air? Mm-hmm. You don't see an airplane, a regular plane that gives off that. You see that, right?
Yeah.
Mother Nature knows how to restore herself.
Right.
The best from these hooligans. So we're on the trail, and as you can see, there's these beautiful trees here. And it looks like there's been a forest fire, the way it looks like. But in reality, they're just a species of trees. And it looks like burnt pieces of branches, but they all literally grow like this all on the trail. And as you can see, look at the scenery with the rocks in the back. It is beautiful. What up, world? So we finished off the Zuma trail here in Malibu. I rate it. As you can see, nature is just profound. The beach over there, we got that view early, as you can see. Mary, what are your thoughts on this trail here?
It was amazing. Good trail.
It was a great trail. If you're into nature, if you're in California, there's plenty. This is just open mountain, just purely beautiful. You can catch the ocean view, take your pictures, just like the intro of this video here. You see, it's incredible. I rate it. So definitely come here, enjoy nature. Bye, son. We love you. Until tomorrow, we meet again. All right, people, we're heading downhill. It's the end of the hike, Zuma Trail in Malibu. Make sure y'all check it out. I mean, absolutely magnificent. If you like what you see, you're gonna see plenty more. We out in nature, outside. There's a difference, okay? Please subscribe, share, like, comment. All love is appreciated. Again, lingoinkboutique.com. This is brought to you by lingoinkboutique.com. Check out Open Mindz, Lingo Ink, the new podcast, available on all major podcast platforms, Spotify, Apple, you name it. Until the next episode.
Either they love you or they hate you, or they gon' judge you. It is what it is. 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 Being your own, living your truth. All these egos and pride got something to prove. I got my diva inside, cooped in a coop. Keep your feelings inside. I do what I do, I move how I move, choose what I choose. Third eye's active in motion, magnificent views. There's too many options, so much to choose. What is for me is just not what's for you. Vice versa, let it all go, most of it's not worth it. Just stay focused on your goals and life purpose. Be a student of this life and never stop learning. Never stop learning. Nah, there's some shit you just gotta accept. Your reality is created by the thoughts in your head.
You